I'm using my needle and I'm going to come through the head and up on the other side of the eye, about 3/4 of the way up. And that's where I'm going to pull through. I'll leave a little bit of a tail. That's what I will use to weave in the end. And then I'm going to pull that down and go back through the base of the eye up on the other side, about the same distance up as the other side. Pull that tight. And then I'm going to repeat that. So I go through the eye with the white twice. That way I can keep it nice and tight, but also still have it showing and have that added dimension. Okay, so I'm liking how that's looking so far. So now I'm going to go back through and I'm going to come out right through the same hole that I went in with the white yarn. That way I can tie that off and then fasten it through the head without having to move it around too much. Now I'm going to do the same process with the black, but this time we are just going to do one pass through. So again, inserting the yarn through the side of the head. I'm going to come out on the other side of that black at the very top. This is almost like a lash line. So for this style, I don't like it to be very big. So it's just a tiny little thing, but still adds quite a bit of dimension. And then I'm going to go again back through the same hole that the yarn came in through. Pull that tight, and then I have a video on fastening those off, and that's what it'll look like.